everyone. I'm back in Toronto and we have a new toy in the lab. It's called VO2 Master. So it's a portable system that allows us to measure oxygen consumption in the field and also to assess metabolic rate under various conditions. So I actually brought it home this weekend to familiarize myself with the equipment. I assembled the gas analyzer and the mask and set it to measure my rate of oxygen consumption under resting conditions, basically my resting metabolic rate. I did this after a restful night of sleep and before ingesting any food or doing any physical activity. I reclined on the couch and started the protocol, which consisted of 15 minutes of metabolic stabilization to allow my heart rate, breathing frequency, and oxygen consumption to reach a constant resting value. So once that was achieved, I collected 15 additional minutes of oxygen consumption data while being quiet and restful on the same reclined position on the couch. It tells me that my resting energy expenditure equals to approximately 1,892 kilocalories, which is, according to the system, 25% higher than the average for people of the same age, weight, height, and sex. This is a good thing, considering that at the age of 62, my metabolism does not appear to be slowing down. It also estimated my daily energy expenditure to be 2,933 kilocalories, close to 3,000 kilocalories. And it did so by combining the resting value with the estimated energy expenditure of all activities I perform during the day. I do not count calories when it comes to exercise or the food that I eat. I don't really pay attention to calories at all. But this measure, using this system, shows that my lifestyle with respect to diet and exercise has been effective in maintaining a healthy body composition and metabolic rate that are significantly higher than people for my age. So now I am excited to use this equipment to test various activities and do follow-ups to understand how the aging process affects my metabolic rate and to find out whether my diet and exercise regimen continue to counteract the effects of aging. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next. Bye for now.